Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So in this video we have got a question and that's about an archery target which is marked with its 5 scoring regions, right? And these 5 scoring regions are like gold, red, blue, black and 5. So there are 5 different circles regions which are being shown here, and suppose say in the innermost is gold, and then we have red, then we have blue, then we have black, okay, then we have black, and then we have white also. Now what they are saying is that the diameter of the region representing score gold score is it's 21 meters. So what it means is basically this diameter is 21 centimeters, right? So the radius of the gold region is 10.5 centimeter, and what it is also saying is that each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So what it basically means is that this is 10.5, the width of the next band, which is red, right? And then the next band, which is blue, that is also 10.5. Then the next band, which is black, that is also 10.5, and the last band, which is white, is also 10.5, right? So each of these bands are of 10.5 centimeters width, and the innermost region, which is gold region, that is having the area that's having the radius of 10.5 centimeters. Now what we need to do is we need to find out the area of each of the 5 scoring regions, right? So let's find out the area of the gold region first of all, and that's very simple. It's like pi r square, and r for gold is 10.5, so it's like going to be 10.5 multiplied by 10.5, right? And we put the value of pi here, that is 22/7, and finally what we will get is 346.5 square centimeter, right? Now this was a very simple thing. Now we need to find out the area of the red region. So area of the red region is equal to the area of red and gold, right? Or we can say the area of the entire red region, right? Red plus gold, and we subtract the area of gold from this. So if I say area of red plus gold, that means everything inside this circle, which means 2 circles, red one and as well as the gold. So everything which is inside this circle is called red plus gold, and from this if we remove this one, right, that is the area of the gold region, then we will be left only with the area of this part, which is the area of the red region, right? So let's first find out the area of the red plus gold. Now that's equal to pi r. R is going to be here like this 10.5 plus, because the center is same, so we will add up this 10.5 also, so this will be like 21 whole square minus area of the gold, which we have already calculated, so this is like 346.5. So let's further do the calculation, and if we put the value of pi, then what we get here is 1386 minus 346.5, and that's equal to 1039.5 centimeter square, right? So this is how we have calculated this. Now let us find out the area of the blue part. Now blue part is like area of everything inside blue circle, so that means blue plus r plus g and minus AR plus G. That means area of red and gold. So now let us put again the value of like pi and the radius of this circle. Like, you know, we are talking about B, R and G. So we are talking about B, R and G. So this will be the circle, right? The main circle. Now the radius of this circle is going to be this distance plus this one and plus this one. So that makes it 31.5, and it will be the square of 31.5 because that's the pi r square formula, minus, we already have this value, right? AR plus G. Sorry, this is the value which is already there. So we will simply write AR plus G, and that's 1386. So let's put the value of pi here, and when we put that, we get the figure as 3118. 3118.5 minus 1386, and that's equal to 1732.5 square centimeter, right? For the sake of this video, I have put this calculation aside on a piece of paper along with me right now, so that you know we don't waste time in the video. Otherwise you will have to do a lot of these calculations on your own. So please be very practice this, otherwise you may commit mistake on this. Now the area of the black part. So area of the black part is equal to area of B plus R plus G and plus black region, right? This whole area minus the area of blue region plus R, that's red region, and green region. So this is gold region, sorry. So now I'll put the value of this. So this is going to be pi, and now we are talking about 4 circles. So 1, 10.5, then there's the second width, the third and the fourth. So this is going to be 42. So 42 whole square minus the area of blue, red and gold. So that's going to be this one. So the value of this is 3118. So 3118.5. Now when we put the value of pi here, we will further get it. The answer is going to be 5544 minus 3118.5, that's already there, and we subtract it. So finally we get 2425.5 square centimeter, right? So we got it till here, right? Till this circle, right? Now we are going to talk about the outermost circle, and the area of the white region is going to be equal to the area of all the regions, that's like white, black, then we have blue, and then we have red, and then we have gold, right? And we subtract from this, we subtract the area of black plus blue plus red and plus gold, right? Now this we have just calculated this part, and the value of this is 5544, right? This is the thing, and this is like pi, and we will put these circles with the radii of all these circles. So that's like 1 2 3 4 5 circles hain, and this is the total radius of the entire white circle is going to be this 52.5. So we do the square of this minus 5544, and when we simplify this, we get we get 8662.5 minus 5544, and that's equal to 3118.5 square meter, right? So how we have found out is that this is the outermost region's area, right? Then we have black region area, right? Then we have blue regions area, which is this is blue regions area. Then we have red regions area, this is red, and this is the gold area of the gold region, right? So this is how we have solved this question. I hope you could understand. It was simple enough, but it was little lengthy and little cumbersome on the it has got some calculations of decimal points and doing squares and again, so you got to bear with that. Thank you so much and have a nice day. I hope you could understand this question. Bye bye.